5 ways to make money from home, online, for free, 0 scams. Number 1 is what's up guys, Kris Krāze here, and today's video is on how to make money from home, online, for free with 0 scams. And you ask, how is this possible? I'm gonna show you 5 methods here that's possible. And actually these methods is just a tree, it's a branch work. It's more information than you could possibly consume that tells you exactly how to do this. But first, hit that subscribe button, notification bells, ding, ding, ding. You know the routine if you watch this channel. If not, you just subscribe so you're about to learn the routine. You just did. Now, jumping into this, number 1 is videos starting a t-shirt business. I did a video on that just a couple of days back, and that video goes into great detail exactly how to do this. And again, let me just remind you, all of this is for free. For free, you start with nothing, just your time investment and a computer. That's it. Simple, easy. So again, number 1, videos on starting a t-shirt business. I talk about how to do this with no inventory needed, how to hold a contest to get free designs. And I also talk about the sites to handle your shipping and your printing and everything, so you don't do anything. You literally facilitate it. That's it. Yes, facilitate is the key here. So number 2, again, facilitating, we're talking about logo designs. I did a video on that. That video goes into great detail on how to create a logo for free, how to upload it to multiple sites, how to enter contests. If you enter these contests, you could potentially win up to $500 or more. Yes, just for uploading a logo that you use other sites to create for free. It's so simple. Again, you're just facilitating. So the best part about all of this here is to learn a skill and to teach someone. So if you learn it and you perfect it and you do it, go and teach somebody else. Tell a friend about these videos. Even if you don't teach about them, yeah, a little bit of self-promotion there, but why not? Now moving into number 3. What's number 3? A video that I did on how to work from home and work from home jobs, if you will. Yes, I talk about video editing. I talk about e-commerce. I talk about virtual assistants. Again, I talk about social media marketing and managing. That video will teach you at least 5 other methods on how to make money from home, online, for free. No scams. None of these are scams. These are actual ways. It's not like go do a survey and get paid a couple bucks. No, F all that, because that's not what we're doing here. Again, keeping it clean on this channel. So what's number 4? Number 4 is a video that I did on transcribing. I show you everything in detail, multiple sites that will pay you today for your transcription services. If you're bilingual, boom, even better, because they need people that speak multiple different languages. You're in high demand right now, so that video is something that you want to watch. Yes, how to make an actual typing job so much easier. I'm not going to give the trick here, even though I want to, but part of it is what you're looking at right now. That's the only hint I'm going to give. That video goes into detail on everything with translation, everything with transcribing, multiple websites. Like, it's there. I gave you the blueprint. You just got to watch the video and take action. Boom, boom. 2 steps. Watch video, take action. Boom, boom. Like a heartbeat, kind of. Anyways, what's number 4? Wait, no. We already did number 4. Number 5 is the bonus. Yes, we're keeping this video short today, and number 5 is the bonus. I did 2 different videos that share with you a multitude of sites that are hiring or that have paid jobs. Some of them, one of the videos is a copy and paste video, okay? And I talked about a multiple amount of sites in there that you can get jobs on that will pay you for your work. Anything from like dollars an hour to multiple dollars an hour. Yes. Now some of these jobs are listed that they pay out cents per the job, but those jobs you can complete in like 1 minute. So if something's paying 20 cents and you're able to complete it in a minute, 20 cents times 60, you see what I'm saying? So you get the point. So there's other videos here. Yes, I promised you, I will not fail you. Now, I don't like making promises I don't keep. So if you don't get any satisfaction or learning ability from any of these, just comment below. Let me know that these are horrible and that I should do better. I know, I try, but got to keep this open here. So yes, how to make money from home, online, for free, no scams. These are 20+ ways. I covered 5 different videos here, but each video has at least 5 different ways. 5 times 5 is 25. So yeah, we got some bonuses there. I like doing bonuses. That's a bonus all in itself. I'm Kris Krāze. Until next time, do me a favor, subscribe, like, notification bells, comment on this. Let me know what you think. What do you want me to make a video on for you to learn how to do it? And I'll do that. Yes, I have the ability to teach. I'm good at that. I learn quick. So why not do this for you? Again, how to make money online from home for free, no scams. If this is an easy way how to make money on the internet, or if you're looking at how to get free money legally is the key, this is the video for you. I'm Kris Krāze. Until next time, I'm out.